Welcome to Fun Quiz Channel.
What is the process by which plants make their own food called? A. Photosynthesis. Which of the following is not a type of rock? B. Oceanic. What is the Earth's largest ocean called? C. Pacific Ocean. Which of the following is a primary color? A. Green. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during photosynthesis? B. Carbon dioxide. What is the unit of measurement for temperature? B. Kelvin. What causes the tides in the oceans? C. Moon and number 39 as gravity. Which of the following is a renewable energy source? C. Solar power. What is the process of converting water vapor into liquid water called? A. Condensation. Which layer of the Earth's atmosphere protects us from harmful UV radiation? B. Stratosphere.